Alright, what is good YouTube? Here with my first video, and we're here to talk about my model and strategy for day trading. So, I'm going to show you guys one of my two strategies slash models that I use. And this one here is on gold. So, this is an Asia session. This strategy is here around, well, you got to set it up at 6 p.m. So, what you're going to do is, I'll walk you guys through this. I'll show you how to set it up and what to do. Had a beautiful trade this week right here, as you can see. The 5-minute time frame. This is beautiful. But I'm gonna delete all this and show you guys how to set this up on your own and catch a banger like this. So what we're looking for here is at 6 p.m. when Asia session starts. So it will say 18 on most of your platforms you trade on. So what you want to do is drop down to the 5-minute time frame, which we are already on. Go get your little rectangle tool. Mark out that first candle, that first 5-minute candle, just like this, mark it out, mark the zone out, and then after that, you'll drop down to the 1-minute time frame. I don't know why it moves, but it does, so I'll have to go back and find it. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we have it. We have our 5-minute candle marked out, which is just our 5-minute range. So we're looking for a breakout, you know, whether it breaks, to the upside, or, it breaks up to the upside, not too crazy here. I don't really know why I put this tool. It didn't really work out too well. I was going to show you guys something, but, it's whatever. But, I mean, yep, basically, break the upside, retest back here, continuation. I mean, is really all it is at the end of the day. And so here, as you can see, we caught a break to the downside, as in this candle right here. It broke. You don't really need to find a certain amount of points it broke out. I don't know how much this one broke out. We can check right here. It broke out about, a point, which is fine. I mean, if you want to see more of a confirmation, you can. It's no big deal. But then you're gonna find, so it broke to the downside. So what are we waiting on? We're waiting until a retest back up to the zone, which we got it really quick right here. As you can see, we entered in right here. You're gonna risk about 5 points, and then you're gonna take about 10 to 15 points for your take profit. Typically 3 to 1 RR is good. 2 to 1, it's fine. This trade right here, I did only take 10 points because I seen some lows, and I didn't know if after it took these, if it would continue down or reverse back up. So I played it safe because it's a fairly new strategy for me. So I wanted just to play it safe. I figured that was the better thing to do here. And I mean, it played out perfectly. I mean, as you can see, there's really no drawdown at all. We were not negative really at all. Look at this right here. But I mean, beautiful trade. I mean, it was not on a downtrend the whole time. I mean, you could have got the full 15 points. I mean, I'm sure you could have caught a lot more than 15 points. I mean, yeah, well, about 15. But I mean, a beautiful trade, really beautiful trade. So, I mean, that's really simple. That's really all it is. And I have one more example of this. Let's keep this here. I think actually it happened the night prior as well. Yeah, it did right here, as you can see. This time we broke to the upside, and I believe I entered in a little bit over here, but I drugged this over here just to watch the trade. But yep, broke to the upside. Very simple. Retested the top of the zone, and really simple. I mean, he entered in. I entered in maybe right around here somewhere. It played around, it consolidated for a little bit, but as you can see, beautiful, beautiful trade to the upside. This one caught, what was this, 15 points, I think. Yeah, I ended up catching 15 points. Took a little while. I don't think it stopped me out up here. Maybe it did, I don't know. Yeah, it might have barely licked me out. I can't really remember, to be honest. Either way, I mean, it retested down a little bit, but uptrend, it continued. So this one is a really nice trade as well. Caught 15 points, 3 to 1 RR. That's a wonderful. Can't ask for much more than that. And then also again, I think we caught it not too long ago. I don't know. I could have sworn I caught it on Thursday night, but on Thursday night, I did catch it on Thursday night. I'll have to pull that back up. I'll show you guys an example of when it really didn't work out. So, as we can see, I'll have to go back and find it. Yep, right here it was. This one was, I mean, it was still, I still ended up winning this trade, but it's kind of sketchy. But, trading's not always, it's not always sunshine and rainbows. You're going to have bad trades, bad days. I mean, it's just part of the game. Can't win every single trade. But for this one right here, as we can see, 5-minute time frame. This one, I was still able to make money on this, so I guess it kind of worked out. But I mean, I kind of got a sniper entry, but that's like the only reason. I think I entered. I don't know. I don't really remember quite where I entered. I think I entered like somewhere up in here, because I was a little late on my entry. So I think it retested up in here, and I caught. I only caught like 6 points or like 7 points, I think, because I didn't take the full. Yeah, yeah, pretty much what happened. I didn't catch this down here if I can remember correctly. But I mean, once again, we'll just show it. We won't show my entry. We'll just show normal. Let's say you're targeting 10 points because you want to worry about those lows. But I mean, this is just right here. It wouldn't have worked out. I mean, I had partials. The only reason I was able to bank on this trade a little bit is I had partials at like, I think it was like 6 or 7 points. I'm pretty sure I entered in like right in here somewhere. So I think, yeah, I think like right around in here is where I got my partials. It was consolidating for so long just here, but I think I just barely caught partials. Yeah, right around like 7 points. And I was targeting 10, and then after I caught partials, I had my stops to break even, and it just, as you can see, shot all the way back up. But I mean, that's just the name of the game. If you have partials set, you're good to go. I mean, if you would have got partials and moved stops to break even, you're really not gonna make your full profit, but you can't go broke making a profit. So, not gonna complain about that too much. But this is a very simple strategy. Not too hard, very simple. You know, really just waiting for a breakout to the upside. If it breaks up, but I don't know why none of my tools will work, but it is what it is. I mean, yeah, yeah, just forget that. But it's simple enough. I think you guys understand. You know, you we break to the upside here, comes back down, taps this right here, bow, we want to enter, catch our 15 points. That's really all it has to it. Now, what you always want to pay attention to your highs and lows, if you have like a session high that hasn't really been, that's untested, it could reject off that pretty strongly. So maybe if that's 10 points away, maybe you just target 10 points and then just get out of the trade, which is okay. You don't always need to make your full 15 points. If you catch 10 points one night, you catch 5 points one night. If you're making profit, you're making profit. But that's really all there is to it. Very simple strategy. I am gonna drop my other strategy, which is my New York AM strategy. This is Asia PM. So since this is my first video, I will say if we get this video to, we'll say 20 likes, I will drop my New York AM strategy as well. It's very similar to this. Not quite the same, but it's fairly similar. Let me know, like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new here. And in the comments, let me know any other video ideas you guys want to see. I mean, I'm sure we can start doing some vlogs if you guys want me to start off with those, live streams. We can do all kinds of stuff. But if you guys have any ideas or recommendations, just leave them in the comments. I'll read all the comments. I don't got a million subscribers, so it'd be pretty easy to read the comments. But that's it for the video, and like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.